In this video, we are going to be talking about the basics of logarithm. So I want you to know that every number can be expressed as a power. Every real number can be expressed as a power. Say we have 9, and 9 can be expressed as 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is ultimately 3 squared. Or say we have another familiar number like 125. 125 can be expressed as 5 times 5 times 5, which is ultimately equal to 5 cubed. The point I'm trying to make is that every real number can be expressed as the power of another number. Say 125 can be expressed as the power of 5 cubed. So that's what I'm saying. Now, how logarithm relates to this is basically saying if this is referred to as the base number and then the power and then the number you're trying to find. So if I would say logarithm of the base number, which is 5, and then what I'm looking for is how many times 5 will multiply to get 125. So this is ultimately equal to how many times does 5 multiply itself to get 125? So that's 3 times from here. So the logarithm of base 5 for 125 is 3. Move this equation to this form, you'd have it's still equal to 5 cubed equals to 125. So the point I'm trying to make is that this base could be any number, but how many times would that number multiply itself to give you 125? That's what. So if I say the log of a certain number is the amount of times the base would multiply itself to give you that number. Okay, so say for instance now, because of the virtue of the fact that logs come in many forms and many bases, we often encounter different types. So the natural ones are logarithm of base e. This is called natural logarithms. And then the other ones are logs of base 10. This is referred to as ordinary logarithms. So you can check my other videos for examples on how to solve logarithms and the laws of logarithms.